Hello, everybody. Welcome live to our 3 Life Essentials Facebook page, but welcome to doTERRA's BOGO Week. Thank you to those of you who are joining me live on our Facebook page, to those of you who are joining us on our VIP, our private Facebook event for our BOGO deals. If you can see and hear me okay, say hello. And say where you're joining me from. This morning I'm joining you live from Colorado Springs, Colorado. Although you can't tell, there are mountains around me. Since I'm inside, maybe I'll broadcast one of these days from outside so you guys can see what it looks like. But I want to make sure you can see and hear me okay. So let me check and see if we're on live. My phone is having trouble refreshing here, so let me see here. Hopefully you guys can see and hear me okay. We're just going to move forward. So today is, this is the start of a really special week with doTERRA. Occasionally, they have something called BOGO Week, where we all get to participate in purchasing oils that we love to get some other oils that we love for free, or maybe some oils that we have never tried before for free. So today, the buy one, get one free is buy a Serenity Restful Blend, and you get a free 15 milliliter bottle, big bottle of lavender. So we're going to talk a little bit about these and why this would even be something you would want in your home. For those of you who love your Serenity and lavender, comment below why you love having these in your house. These are useful for many different things, so I'm curious, what is your use for them in your house? So comment below, even if you're watching us on the replay, just comment below and let me know, what are your favorite uses for these, those of you who have these in your home, because those of you who have these already in your home, I know you're still excited about the BOGO because you want to stock up like me. I have these in my home right now, but I'm excited about being able to stock up and have and get these at a discount, even bigger discount. So let's talk about these, and let me see. Let me pull up some notes here that I have on these. And let me see if my phone will cooperate. If you know somebody who would benefit from knowing about the BOGOs, maybe another oily friend, just click the share button and share this with your family and friends. And I don't know. Drop a 1 in the comments if you could use a better night's sleep, or you need to kick your sleep up a notch. Yes, even if you're watching on the replay, comment below with a 1 if you need a better night's sleep. For me, I actually get a great night's sleep, but that wasn't always the case. When I first was introduced to essential oils, I was not getting much sleep at all. I had a 3-year-old at home and infant twins that I was breastfeeding at night. And so I would wake up and feed them, and then I would lay down to go back to sleep and just lay there. And it was pretty miserable having to get up the next morning to take care of a 3-year-old and infant twins, being a complete basket case and dealing with postpartum and all those things, and even if you haven't dealt with those things, you know what it feels like when you haven't had a great night's sleep. And if it happens over extended periods of time, you can really seriously affect your health. And so I started using, this was one of the first oils I was introduced to, the Serenity blend, and it was a game changer for me. And I'm going to show you how you can kick up your sleep up a notch. If you're not getting a good night's sleep already, start using your Serenity blend. You're going to be glad that you have it when you need that good night's sleep. I like to put a drop on the pads of my big toes, not on my thumb, but I'm not going to show you my toe here. On the pads of my big toe, yes, because that connects to your brain. You can put them there. Now, if you need to kick your sleep up a notch, maybe you're getting a good night's sleep, or maybe you're being able to go to sleep, but you're having trouble staying asleep, then kick it up a notch. Give your sleep kind of the 1-2 punch, is what I like to call it, by adding a few drops into your diffuser as well. So using your Serenity topically on your body, but also aromatically. Because that will allow you to, when you do get interrupted in your sleep, whether you're nursing twins or not, you will still have those oils pumping into the air to be able to allow the limbic system in your brain to tell your body to shut back off. Okay, so that's my tip for you. Now, when you're using your oils topically, so the Serenity blend, you're going to use it aromatically, topically, and topically. When you're using it topically, you're going to want to combine it with some sort of carrier oil. And I like fractionated coconut oil because it has a long shelf life. It doesn't smell like coconuts, and it's really good for your skin. So, but you can use other forms of carrier oils too, like jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil even. Don't use olive oil unless you're just in a pinch. You don't want to be a grease ball. But you're going to be glad that you have your Serenity blend when you're wanting that restfulness. Now, this oil is also not only just helpful for sleep and rest, but also even just calming those anxious feelings that you may have that come up. Anybody? Comment below if you have, just say anxiousness. Comment below with anxiousness if you ever have battled that in your day-to-day life. This is when you can also use your Serenity blend. You can actually use it aromatically this way. You can put a drop in the palm of your hands, cup your hands and breathe it in. And that just gives a real calming effect to your body and to your mind and to your system. And you can just do that throughout the day if you're having some anxious feelings creep up. Now, let's talk about the freebie. Now, you are going to use this oil aromatically, topically, and internally. And you may comment below if you feel like you know all the different uses for lavender. Like lavender expert here, no? So let's talk a little bit about briefly if you are new to lavender. You're going to use your lavender when you need to just relax, or when you've gotten too close to that hot pan in the kitchen. In fact, I know several families who keep their lavender, an extra lavender bottle right in their kitchen for those instances. When you're needing relief from your seasonal allergies. Here's some uncommon uses, though, of your lavender. So, this will actually also help support brain function. It's also a complementary therapy to cancer treatments, and it's great for antioxidant protection. So these may be some uncommon uses for your lavender, but there's a reason why people who use oils call it the Swiss Army knife of oils, because it can be used for lots of different things. So if you're coming to, if you're new to oils and new to doTERRA and coming from a place of commonly using Western medicine, and it's okay to combine the two, but if you are new to natural methods, like oils, you'll find that they're unlike a Western medicine in that they can be used for many different things. They're not one-trick ponies, like I like to call them. Your lavender is not just used for sleep, or not just used for the things when you get, too close to that hot pan in the kitchen. They can have many different uses. So that's what makes them so unique, is because you can use them in many different ways. So now let me share a little story with you here. Now, if you're wondering what's the difference between the two, I like to say that lavender is very calming. Think it for all things calming. Calming to the skin, calming to the body, calming to your central nervous system. And think of your Serenity as almost like a lavender on steroids. Okay, because listen to what's in Serenity. There's lavender in it, cedar wood, hoe wood, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, and vetiver, and Hawaiian sandalwood. So all of these oils many of them are tree oils that are have sedative effects. Cedar wood, which is also great for helping put your body into like that deeper restorative state of sleep. And so think about your lavender can be really helpful for your sleepless nights, but your Serenity is like the lavender on steroids. Okay? So let me share this quick story with you from Nikki in California. She said, I just started using oils, and I'm still pretty skeptical, to be honest, but I wanted to try natural remedies. She said, the last 2 nights I put lavender on my kids before bed, and they're completely asleep shortly after. She said, one of my sons has always had a terrible time falling asleep with or without a daytime nap. He would wake in his bed sometimes until 10:30 p.m. My daughter also has trouble falling asleep, and they're both completely zonked an hour after we put them down. Not to mention, she said, they love having me rub the oils on their feet. That's a bonus to using your oils, guys, with your family, especially if you have children in the home or you have pets. You get to connect with them in a whole different way if you're helping them use their oils or helping them put them on. It just is another step in kind of like bonding and that emotional connection to your family. So I'd love to hear how you plan to use your 2 oils. And now let me show you how. There's a couple of ways that you can order today's BOGO, and this is only available until 11:59 Mountain Time this evening. So you can go right in, if you have your customer account, you can go right in onto your doTERRA account, log in. If you have lost your membership ID or something, reach out to your wellness advocate and they can help you locate that. And you can order up to 5 of these on your account. Now you're just going to put the Serenity blend in your cart, and the lavender is just going to automatically be added. Now, if you want to get your shipping for free, order this on your loyalty rewards order. In fact, if you already have one, you can just edit that order, or you can even set up a second one. You can set up a second one that's just kind of your BOGO week loyalty rewards order, and you'll get all those shipping points back. You can also, if you are not a member with doTERRA, you can order straight through your doTERRA Wellness Advocate if you don't have an account. The Serenity Blend will be $30 for wholesale members and $40 retail. Now, those of you who are joining us in our VIP BOGO group, if you are one of our customers, or if you're wanting to join in our VIP BOGO group where we're getting these announcements and more giveaways, comment below if you'd like to be added to the VIP BOGO group. Just comment below, say VIP. Even if you're watching this on the replay, comment and say VIP if you would like for us to add you to that BOGO group, because this week we are giving away this awesome gray oil tote. Do you guys see that? How fun this is? Let me unzip it for you so you can see what's inside. So inside, it's this beautiful like purple velvet. It's got a spot here at the top for your roller bottles, and then inside, it's very deep. Let me show you. Inside, there are 2 tiers of these little velvet kind of inserts here, where you can put roller bottles, you can put oil bottles and things. And trust me, if you don't have this many oils yet, you will, because your growing collection for your mini needs and your family and things, you will have these. Plus, I even use the bottom as just some other storage for other things because I keep this by, above my bed. So we're going to be give this away to somebody who orders all 5 days of BOGOs. So if you have ordered all 5 days of BOGOs inside our VIP BOGO group, you will be entered to win this awesome tote that we're giving away this week. So again, if you'd like to join us, comment below with VIP and we'll help you get connected to that group. Happy BOGOing, everyone. Bye-bye.